This here is an open bridge, which can be performed simply by aligning your thumb with the top knuckle of your index finger and then letting the cue stick lay down over the bridge. You want to keep the cue as level as possible to perform truer shots. Here is how you can lay the open bridge onto the table. Just bring your thumb up to your top knuckle on your index finger and lay the cue over the cross. Here we see a closed bridge, which can be performed simply by aligning the knuckle of your thumb with the second knuckle on your middle finger, and then just bring your index finger tip over to your thumb to close the gap. And this will give you a little extra control when you're stroking through. Your bridge height can be raised and lowered simply by opening and closing your fingers along the side of your palm of your hand. The bridge off of. One good way to position your hand is to lay it flat on the rail and lay your cue stick down alongside the cue stick and use your thumb and middle finger as guides to help you maintain a nice straight stroking motion. Make sure you keep your level cue and stroke through your shot.